In this video, I will show you how to redeem Xbox Game Pass without credit card. Also, you can use this tutorial to redeem Xbox gift card without credit card as well. Even better, no need to use any card whatsoever. In the other word, you can redeem Xbox Game Pass or redeem Xbox gift card without using any card at all. So, without further ado, let's get started. If you want to redeem your Xbox Game Pass without credit card, or Xbox gift card without credit card, do not use your Xbox console. This is because Xbox console has different method to verify your payment. If you want to redeem your Xbox Game Pass, it is always easier to do this on web browser. Okay, let's do this. First, open Google search, and then search Microsoft Redeem like this. Then, click this page. Wait until the redeem page has been opened. You can see there, this is the redeem code page. You need 25 characters of Xbox code to be able to be redeemed. After you enter the code, click Next button. Here, this is what will you get after the redeem. Let's confirm. And then, just wait until the redeem complete. Okay, the redeem code has been finished. You can see there is no need to use credit card, debit card, or any card at all. It is because the redeem system in Microsoft Web is different. If you cannot redeem the code in Xbox console because of the credit card error, just do it on web. But, if you still get error when redeem Xbox gift card in web, don't worry, you can fix this easily. Now, go to your Info tab, and open your Info dashboard here. It will open your information about your account. Make sure you are already using the correct information. For example, your country or your region in your account. You need to use the same region as your Xbox Game Pass redeem code, or your Xbox gift card redeem code. If your region's still not the same, you need to change it. Okay, click Country and Region section here. Click this. Change your region to the same region as your redeem code. For example, if your redeem code is from Turkey region, you need to change to Turkey region. Make sure everything is correct, and you are good to go. This is including your birth date. Your payment bank wants to make sure that you are the correct person. So, you need to input your correct birth date here. Make sure everything you input here is correct. Then, just go back to the redeem code web page, and redeem Xbox Game Pass without credit card. Okay, let's do it again. Now, it should be a successful redeem. Assuming you are entering everything correctly, there is no need to worry about. After your redeem code successful, you can use the redeemed item in your PC, Xbox console, even on your mobile phone. Just make sure that you are logged in using the same account with the account you are using to redeem the code.